Today, let me bring your attention to this amazing herb. This herb is a herb that has been recommended by midwives across the USA for pregnant women, especially in their third trimester. This herb is called red raspberry leaf, and it is amazing because I personally tried it out for 3 of my kids. Now, you can think of it as a gentle workout for your uterus. It helps to kind of work out the uterus to make it stronger. You know how you guys work out and have those muscles strong, so that's what it does. It is packed with vitamins and a compound called fragerine, which helps tone and strengthen the uterine and the pelvic muscles. Now, this herb does not induce labor at all. Its main event is to do the prep work, and it's considered a uterine tonic, which means it helps your body get ready for birth and potentially making labor more efficient. Now, let me tell you about my personal experience with red raspberry leaf. I started using it with my second pregnancy because my first pregnancy was very, very tough for me. I labored for 15 hours and the pain was just too much. And after that, I decided that I'm gonna come up with something that will help me to reduce on the time that I will labor. Now, when I made some research, a lot of research actually, I found out that this is a herb that midwives across the USA recommend for pregnant women, especially during the third trimester. Now, when you go across online shops and wherever, you find it there, and it is sold in tea bags and is very, very expensive. I started using it because I could access it. Actually, it was really hard to find it. I used it with my second pregnancy, third pregnancy, and fourth pregnancy. And for every pregnancy, the time that I labored always reduced, and I always had a smooth labor that all my midwives were always amazed at how I gave birth. So for my last child, I only labored for just 1 hour. 1 hour like this, and I had no puffy face after giving birth. I was just too normal. Now, this herb is recommended to be used by people who are planning to get pregnant soon, and then after they get pregnant, they stop using it until they are 6 months pregnant. Then they will start taking the tea gradually, starting with a small amount and then increasing the amount until the day they give birth. And also, when this herb is used post-birth, it helps the uterus to contract back to its normal size, and it also helps reduce postpartum bleeding and support the overall recovery process. And finally, it helps ease intense period cramps that ladies usually get during their menstrual periods.